Stop, because you're making me smile. I'm just going to mark, yeah? And smile real big for me. Okay, and then relax it for me. Like, relax all the way down. There you go. Okay, and smile real big for me again. Okay, and then relax. I'm going to move it just a little bit over. Okay. Okay, now smile real big. Yeah, like that.
You ain't never seen it?
See where it's at.
Huh?
Smile so you can see where it goes.
I know I'm saying you ain't never seen it on my back.
Yeah, I can move it a little bit if you want. Want me to come this way just a little?
It was hurting, like, yeah.
Like closer to your nose just a little bit?
You did this right?
Maybe a little bit closer to the nose.
Yeah, it's kind of far.
Sorry, the voice stuff goes everywhere. Yeah, that looks better. Go ahead and look at that. See it? Yeah. That look better? Okay.
And you got this under my face. My mom finna be ugly.
He said your mom.
We gotta record hers too. I gotta put that on Facebook for sure.
Who's she out there talking to?
Your sister.
Here's the lady getting her tattoo.
Girl, bye. She out there talking about. Some y'all ain't had no business.
Okay, you ready? Go ahead and open for me.
What you say about him?
Just put the clamp on it. Open it real tight and pinchy, okay? Another on the inside. That's great.
Bo looks so serious.
I know she does look really serious. Okay, open as big as you can for me, just like you're at the dentist, okay? Get everything ready for you. Do a little pinching now, okay? It's all pierced. I'm gonna take that nail clamp off. You did very good.
That hurt, Bo? I eat ice anyway. Now you look crazy.
You got a big old fork on you. Okay, just put your jaw in. If you're kind of pinchy, just hang in there, okay? Don't move. You really pinch. Ah! That's your little ball. Bear with me, it's very small. My gloves are baggy. There we go. Very good. You probably feel pinched, it's just me tightening everything, okay? Go ahead and close your mouth. Very good. Good, yeah.
No. Nothing, it's in. She said it didn't.
Well, this will.
It will, yeah. And it's going to look like it's looking all over the place. It's just because it's so long. When you get the short one, it won't do that so much. And it's going to try to snag on your teeth, so be careful, okay? Just trying to get all that glue off of you.
Look, Mom.